What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Agig. So here the Sony A6400. If you are using the camera for recording but you cannot see the audio level, let me put in the movie mode. As you can see right now we are at the movie mode. We can see the audio recording level right or wrong. Go to camera setting 2 and then go to page 2 audio recording level. Okay, let me go to menu, audio recording off. Now you can't see the audio recording level, right? Go to camera setting 2 audio recording level on. Okay, so yeah, camera setting 2 page 2 to turn it on, and then go to the finder monitor. No, this one, display monitor. Okay, yeah, go to camera setting 2 page 6, click monitor and then select the level and graphic display. So yeah, so now that, yes, you can see the audio recording level. Subscribe and bye.